Assalamu alaikum everyone. The topic today we discuss is about the Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a condition where a part of your brain deteriorates, causing more severe symptoms over time. In this picture, you can see that the loss of sense of smell, drooling, constipation, kabaz ho jana, and gastrointestinal problems. Sleep problems such as restless leg syndrome, slow movements, tremor while muscles are at rest, rigidity or stiffness, blinking less often than usual, troubling swelling, and unstable posture or walking gait is all the symptoms of the Parkinson's diseases. Who does it affect? In this picture, you can see the diagram of the brain. The risk of developing Parkinson's disease naturally increases with the age, and the average age at which it starts 60 years old. कौन सी एज में स्टार्ट होता है 60 years old. It's slightly more common in men and people assigned male at birth. Assigned male at birth and assigned male at the birth 60, and then the woman assigned female at the birth. ठीक है, ट्रिमर होना शुरू हो जाती है और उसमें क्या न्यूरोलॉजिकल बेसिकली ये इफेक्ट है. If you have Parkinson's, untended or uncontrollable movements such as shaking, stiffness, and difficulty with balance and coordination. Symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's has four main symptoms: tremor in hands, arms, legs, jaw, or head. Muscle stiffness where muscle remains contracting for a long time. Slowness of movement. Impaired balance and coordination, sometimes leading to falls. Parkinson's symptoms: slow movements, आहिस्ता चलना, body kinesia, Parkinson's, rigidity, face masking, tremors, slow reaction time, frequent falls. Medicines for Parkinson's disease. Medicine can help treat the symptoms of Parkinson's by increases the level of dopamine in the brain, having an effect on other brain chemicals such as neurotransmitters, which transfer information between brain cells. Define cell. Cell is the structure and function unit of life, helping control non-movement symptoms. Okay, Parkinson's disease can be treated with a variety of medications that include dopamine, COMPT, and MAO inhibitor. Thank you. Any question, any query you may ask. Nice day. Allah Hafiz.